What's going on with you guys? Welcome to another episode of Quick Learn. And in today's episode, I will teach you how to join a group on Telegram. So this one is pretty easy. So let's get it started. So first of all, one way that you can do to join a Telegram group is to have someone you know or someone else you're close with to send you a link of their group. That's it. You can just click the link and right there you will join a group. Or you can search manually for a group that you want. For example, I'm going to search Dragon Ball Super and right there this is the group. So you're just going to click join and that's it. I already joined the group or a channel. So it's the same, but that's it. That's how you're going to do it. It's pretty easy. And also that's it for today's episode. If you want more to this channel, please like this video, click the notification bell. Don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next one.